You ever sent that "I miss you" text and she left you on scene? Be honest, bro. You waited, watched that little red icon, hoped she'd say something, anything, but nothing came, and your chest felt like someone kicked it from the inside. Here's the truth no one tells you. The more you chase, the more she runs. You think being available 24/7 is love. You think texting her every morning shows effort. You think begging means you're showing you care. But let me be real with you. She doesn't want the man who begs. She wants the man she can't ignore. Right now, you're not him. You've become predictable, weak, emotional in the worst way. And she can smell that desperation from a mile away. You know what's wild? She's not even thinking about you the way you think about her. While you're stalking her stories, wondering who she's with, she's out there living, laughing, while you're stuck in rewind mode, begging the past to come back. But here's the shift most guys never make. You don't win her back by chasing. You win by pulling back, by becoming the version of you that even you respect again. And in a minute, I'll tell you how to do that. But first, you gotta face this pain. Feel it. Own it. Because the man who can stand in the fire is the same man she'll one day wish she never walked away from.
Let's be real. Most guys destroy their chances the moment they get dumped. They panic. They send paragraph-long messages. They say things like, "Please don't do this. I'll change, I promise. I can't live without you." Bro, that's not love. That's emotional weakness disguised as romance. And guess what? It pushes her further away. Because the second you put her on a pedestal, you fall beneath it. You became the guy who waits by his phone, who watches her new posts like a detective, who checks if she's online. And every time she doesn't reply, it breaks you just a little more. Here's what you've got to understand. She doesn't miss the guy who begged. She misses the man who had standards, the man who had a mission, a life, a purpose beyond her. So let me tell you about this dude I knew. Same story, heartbroken, desperate, broken sleep every night. But one day he snapped. He deleted the chat, hit the gym like a soldier, focused on his grind, started building a life that didn't orbit around her anymore. Guess what happened 2 months later? She messaged him, out of nowhere. "Hey, just wondering how you've been." Because that's how it works. When you stop chasing, you become the mystery again. And women, they chase what they can't fully understand. So let me ask you this. If you became the man she regrets losing, would you even still want her back? Think about that. Because this isn't just about getting her back. It's about getting yourself back.
Here's the truth, bro. You don't get her back by proving you love her. You get her back by proving you've leveled up without her. But let's be clear. This isn't about revenge. This isn't about playing mind games. This is about respect. Your self-respect. Because the moment you chase, you hand your power away. And no man of value begs for what walked away. So here's what you do, for real. Step 1, go silent. No texts, no checking her page, no reacting to her stories. Silence isn't weakness, it's discipline. Step 2, build a routine that scares your old self. Wake up early. Train like your future depends on it, because it does. Start that hustle you've been putting off. Step 3, upgrade your environment. Surround yourself with men who push you forward, not ones who drown in heartbreak. Step 4, face the mirror. Ask yourself, would I date me right now? Be honest. Then change what needs to change. Step 5, never chase, attract. The new you doesn't need validation. The new you is focused, grounded, untouchable. Look, she might come back, or she might not, but that's not the point anymore. Because now, finally, you're not the same guy who got left behind. You become the man who moves forward, who grows in silence, who doesn't need to be chosen because he already chose himself. So remember this, bro. The moment you stop chasing is the moment she starts remembering what she lost.